बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम ऐसे कर रहे हैं माय फेवरेट अंकल, और ये 9th क्लास की बुक के यूनिट 5 में आपको दिया गया है राइटिंग में। माय फेवरेट अंकल एंड माय फेवरेट आंट पे लिखना है मजमून। इन आवर लाइफ देयर इज़ ऑलवेज समवन वी एडमायर एंड वांट टू बी लाइक। The person who has inspired me the most in my life is my mother's younger brother. His name is Uncle XYZ. My uncle is a successful businessman. He is a kind and caring person. The love that my uncle has for me is remarkable. He is very responsible and sensible person. I can rely on him for anything. He always has a solution for my problems, and I feel very comfortable sharing my problems with him. He always remains calm and keep his promises. He is very punctual and values time. He is a religious person. He also makes sure that he does not hurt anybody with his words or actions. He has a great sense of humor and can always make me laugh, even when I am feeling down. He always ready to spread happiness around him. I always have a wonderful time with him. One of the things I admire most about my uncle is his work ethic. He is incredibly dedicated to his career. He is an inspiration to me and has taught me the importance of hard work. He is my role model. I try to be like him. He is a wonderful human being and a symbol of love, kindness and generosity. I love him very much. I am grateful to have him in my life and hope to be able to follow in his footsteps someday. ये था हमारा ऐसे, और माय आंट पे भी ऐसे किया है, जो कि आपको चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट पर मिल जाएगा ऐसे सेक्शन में। उम्मीद है आपको समझ आ गया होगा ऐसे। वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। अल्लाह हाफिज़।